Students, let's start with the first property of a triangle. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let us consider this to be any type of triangle. Okay, triangle A, B, C. So, according to the property, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C will always be equal to 180 degree. Now this we have considered a simple example of an equilateral triangle. But if you consider of any type of triangle, whether it is a scalene triangle, whether it is an isosceles triangle, whether it is an acute angle triangle, but the property will remain same. The sum of all the three angles of a given triangle will be 180 degrees. Let us solve the properties according to the given activities. Take a triangular piece of paper. Choose three different colors or signs to mark the three corners of the triangle on both sides of the paper. Fold the paper at the midpoint of two sides as shown in the picture. It will give you measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree, where A is this corner, B is this corner and C is this corner. B is turned to this side, C is turned to this side and A is turned to this side. We will solve that now. See, I have drawn one same type of triangle. I will make this screen smaller to solve this activity. We are going to solve this activity now. See, let this figure remain here. To this side, I will solve the activity now. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. Same, I'll copy this again and paste it this side. Now what we have to make is, with the help of this figure, this triangle, we are going to make it like this. Just we will rotate it. We are just going to rotate it. See, isn't it? It became like that. Yes, when you are going to fold this part of triangle and this part of triangle to the inside ways, you will fold it. Now we cannot fold it here as a picture. Instead, we can make it half. It will look like a folded part. I'll show you. See, isn't it? It has become the same as what was expected. Yes, so it has become same as like this. So our property is satisfied. Measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree. With the help of three different triangles, we made a rectangle, right? We made a rectangle. Now why is it satisfying for 180 degree? Why? Since a line forms 180 degree, so this baseline forms 180 degree of angle. So the sum of 1, 2, 3 triangles, or the sum of 3 angles of the given triangle is equal to 180 degree. Second one activity. Take a triangular piece of paper and make three different types of marks near the three angles. Take a point approximately at the center of the triangle. From this point, draw three lines that meet the three sides. Cut the paper along those lines. Place the three angles side by side as shown. Now, in this figure, what we have done, we had an example of an equilateral triangle. Okay, we had an example of an equilateral triangle which makes three equal parts of the given whole triangle. Yes, this is the whole triangle and we are making three equal parts with center one part. So four equal triangles of the given whole triangle, and with the help of that we are trying to prove this property: sum of all the three angles of a given triangle will be 180 degree. Now Instead of an equilateral triangle, we will prove it for any kind of triangle. This is not an equilateral triangle. This is considered to be a scalene triangle, isn't it? Because these three angles are different. So it has become a scalene triangle. One more figure I have kept it drawn here. Okay. This is the actual property according to which we are going to solve it here now. Okay, now according to this, same like this what I have already drawn here, with the help of these three triangles, these three pieces of a triangle, we will form it like this. This part, see, this part is number 1. Okay, where is number 1 shifted? It is shifted to the right side. So this I'll copy it and take it to this side. Yes. Number 3, part number 3, this is the part number 3, it is taken to the left side. Now who is third part? This one. This is the third part. So I'll take it to the left side of the page. Okay, and this part is second part only, but it is rotated. It is upside down. So we will take the same part and we will just rotate it. See, it has almost become, yes, it has almost become, and the sum is 180 degree. It is forming a straight line. Now see, this I had not drawn it properly. I was unable to fix this three parts of the triangle in a correct way. But if you draw it on a piece of paper and cut it with the help of scissor, your three parts will align, will get attached equally for the same equal length. Okay, and it will become a 180 degree angle. Now why is it 180 degree? This is a different type of angle, this is a different type of angle, this is the third different type of angle. Yes, so this all together three angles are forming a straight line. A straight line is always in 180 degree. Therefore any type of triangle with three different angles will always form 180 degree angle. We have solved it till here. Now we'll turn to the next slide now. The next property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. We have now studied the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will give you 180 degree. Second property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Let us consider this to be any kind of triangle. Triangle A, B and C. Let length of AC be 5 cm, length of AB be 3 cm and length of BC be 6 cm. Now what we have to prove is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Let's prove it on the screen here. The sum of lengths of any two sides. We will consider first this side and this side. So 3 plus 5 will give you 8 centimeter. Yes, and this is 6 centimeter. Right? So the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. So 8 centimeter is greater than 6 centimeter. Again, we'll consider different two sides. Let us consider 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 will give you 9 and this is 5. Yes, so the sum of any two sides is greater than the third single side. If you even though consider 5 and 6, 5 plus 6 will give you 11 and this is 3. So 11 is greater than 3. Here 9 is greater than 5. Also 5 plus 3 will give you 8 is greater than 6. So the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum means addition. These were the two properties we have studied today. Thank you.